How to create an account on Crunchyroll. Open your web browser and go to the official Crunchyroll website at crunchyroll.com. Look for the sign up button on the homepage and click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Crunchyroll offers different membership plans, including free and premium options, so select the plan that best suits your preferences and budget. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your email address, desired username and password, and make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used for account verification and communication. Read and agree to Crunchyroll's terms of use and privacy policy by checking the respective boxes. Some registration forms may include a CAPTCHA verification step to ensure that you're not a bot, so complete the CAPTCHA challenge as required. After that, you'll need to verify your email, so check your inbox and follow the instructions to verify your email address. After verification, you'll be directed to set up your Crunchyroll account. This may involve creating a profile, setting up preferences, and configuring your account settings. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring Crunchyroll's extensive library of anime and manga titles. You can watch episodes for free with ads or upgrade to a premium membership for an ad-free experience and additional perks. For convenient access to the anime on the go, you can download the Crunchyroll app on your mobile device or streaming device. By following these steps, you can easily create an account on Crunchyroll and start watching your favorite anime series. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.